Hi. SIP or systematic investment plan allows you to make periodic investments in a mutual fund scheme of your choice. If you've cancelled your SIP but the amount still got deducted, don't worry, we're here to help you. Let me explain how it works. Number 1. You cannot cancel an SIP if the installment is due within the next 3 days. If you have an installment due within the next 3 working days, your cancellation request will be processed after the installment is processed. And this is because payment for SIP installments are already initiated in advance. Once your cancellation request is completed, your next installment will not be deducted from next month onwards. For example, suppose your SIP installment is due on the 20th of February and you try to cancel it on 19th of February, then you will not be able to cancel this installment. In such a situation, you can cancel the next installment after the current one has been paid. Number 2, whatever amount you have invested in any mutual fund, that will continue to remain invested. Even if you cancel the SIP, only your future investments will stop and it will not affect the amount that's already been invested. If you want to exit the investment, you can redeem your mutual fund units using Groww app's mutual fund dashboard. I hope this helps. Thanks so much for watching.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risk. Read all scheme-related documents carefully before investing.